Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a website in Odoo. This is a helpful option if you want to create a business website, portfolio website, service website, or online store using Odoo's built-in website builder instead of using a separate platform. We'll start by going to the official Odoo website. Once you land on the homepage, click the Start Now, It's Free button to begin. Odoo offers a guided setup process, which makes it a great option if you want to create a website without building everything from scratch. The nice thing about this setup is that Odoo guides you step by step, so even if you're not a developer or designer, you can still create a basic website structure and customize it later. On the setup page, choose the website option, then click Continue. After that, you'll be asked to enter some account and site details. Choosing the website option is important because it tells Odoo that your main goal is to build a website, so the setup process will focus on website creation instead of other apps like accounting, CRM, or inventory. Fill in your first and last name. Then, type in the name you want for your website. Enter your email address, select your country, add your phone number, and choose your preferred language. Make sure everything is accurate, since these details help set up your account properly. Your website name can usually be your business name, brand name, personal name, or project name, depending on what type of website you're creating. When you're done, click Start Now. Odoo will then take you into its website configurator. Click Let's Do It to begin the guided creation process. This configurator is useful because it helps Odoo understand what kind of website you need before generating the first version for you. You'll first be prompted to describe what you want. This is where you can briefly explain the kind of website you're planning to build. Then, type in what business the website is for, followed by the main objective of the site. For example, your goal might be to showcase services, generate leads, or sell products. These answers help Odoo tailor the website structure to your needs. For example, a service business may need pages like Services, About Us, and Contact, while an online shop may need product pages, categories, and checkout features. Next, choose a color palette. This is an important step because your colors help define the overall feel of your brand and website. For example, darker colors can feel more premium and professional, while brighter colors can feel more friendly, creative, or energetic. Try to choose colors that match your business style and are easy for visitors to read. After that, add the pages and features you want included. This could shape the basic structure of your site, so take a moment to choose the options that best match your goals. For example, you may want a homepage, contact page, about page, services page, blog, appointment booking, or online shop features, depending on what your website needs to do. Once you're happy with those selections, click Build My Website. Odoo will then generate some design options for you. Choose your favorite theme, or if you want more choices, click View More Themes and browse through the available templates. Once you find one you like, click on the chosen template to apply it. When choosing a theme, try to pick one that already matches the type of website you're building, because this can save time during customization. After your website loads, click Edit to start customizing it. Inside the editor, you can adjust blocks, which are the content sections on the page. You can also edit the style to change visual details, and edit the theme to control the overall design appearance. This is where you can really make the website feel like your own, so take your time and preview your changes as you go. You can update text, replace images, move sections around, change buttons, and adjust the layout so the website better matches your brand and message. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Save to keep your changes. It's a good idea to preview the page before saving or publishing, so you can check how the design looks from a visitor's point of view. And that's it! Your Odoo website is now created and customized, ready for the next stage of publishing and refining. From here, you can continue improving your pages, adding your real content, setting up your domain, checking mobile responsiveness, and making sure your website clearly guides visitors toward the action you want them to take.